The Curious Case of Snowblades. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a fun topic. The term snowblades. Ever heard of it? Whether you're familiar or new to this term, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Let's jump right in. Snowblades are short skis, typically much shorter than traditional alpine skis. They are designed for ease of use, especially for beginners or for those who prefer a more skateboard-like feel on the snow. Think of them as the middle ground between skis and snowboards. They are compact, lightweight, and can be a lot of fun. The term snowblades is believed to have originated in the 1990s. It's a blend of the words snow and blades, indicating the sharp, short, blade-like nature of these skis. They've been popularized by various ski manufacturers, and while the exact designs can vary, the essence remains: a short ski that's nimble and easy to maneuver. Snowblades are especially popular among freestyle skiers and those who like to do tricks. Because of their shorter length, they offer more agility and freedom to perform various stunts. However, if you're thinking of high-speed downhill races, traditional long skis might still be the preferred choice. When it comes to learning, many find that snowblades can be an easier starting point than traditional skis. Their short length makes it less intimidating for beginners, and they often require less technical skill to start having fun on the snow. To clarify, snowblades are not the same as snowboards. While both are used on snow and offer a unique experience, snowboards are longer and riders place both feet on a single board, facing sideways. Snowblades, on the other hand, come in pairs, like skis, and are worn with the rider facing forward. It's also worth noting that while snowblades can be easier for beginners, mastering them to perform advanced tricks and moves can be just as challenging as mastering traditional skis or snowboards. And there we have it. Snowblades, the exciting middle ground between skis and snowboards, offering a unique experience on the snowy slopes. Whether you're looking to try something new or find an easier way to get started with winter sports, snowblades might just be the answer. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic, and as always, happy learning!